Hello and welcome to this guide to installing the 3D experience. You are watching this guide because you are enrolled in the course Digital Manufacturing that's conducted at Aalborg University. This guide will show you how to first of all sign up and install the 3D experience platform and get in there. And then there will be a second video showing how to get into the learning platform that's connected to the 3D experience platform. So get ready, fetch a cup of coffee, and let's get going on this one. So when you have received, when you are enrolled in this course, you will receive a mail, and the mail might be located in your unwanted mails, and this mail is an invitation to sign up for the 3D experience. So when you're enrolled in this course, you should receive this one. If you have not received the mail yet, please contact one of the course holders of the course. Right, so my mail was located under unwanted mails, so I go into it. And I'll move this one to my normal post mail, and I'll go into it. And today, where is it? There we go. So this is how the mail looks when it's out of your unwanted mails. There is some small information here. I have used Chrome to install mine on my computer, but it should be possible. So you need to create a 3D Passport account. If you do not have one of those, you'll need to create it here. So we'll start doing this. And this will take you into the logon page. This is the email I was given, or I was connected to, and you have to use your student mail or university mail for this step. I'll create a login. Put in my names. Last name. And then you need to put in a password. And I'm ready. Now I register. And now it's logging me into the platform here. So this will be the welcome screen. And here you can see some tips on how to navigate around the dashboard. Yes, I will close this one down. And it's a good idea to bookmark this place here, so you can look at it. You are right now in the My Dashboard. Up here you can change to different dashboards, but we'll stay in this one. So now you came into this front page, the first dashboard that look here. On the right side here you can see a little bit about how you navigate with the wheel. The wheel is located up in the corner, and how to create a dashboard and so forth. We'll need to install a client on the computer to run some of the software that we need. So we'll try press here on My 3D Modeling Apps, and you can either search for it or you can look for it, and I will be looking for it. It's called Assembly Design. Here it is. So you'll press this one, and now this one will pop up. And since I have nothing installed, and it's a really good idea to install all granted roles, because at some point you will need some of the other suits that are are available and that's dedicated to you during the course, or maybe later when you do some simulation work or other related areas. So please press install all granted roles. This will prompt a download. And this will take a while. It's about 18 gigabytes of data that will need to be downloaded. Decide where you want it to be placed. Next. So now you can see there's a fair amount of files that needs to be installed. And now we just have to wait for it to download and install. Now we can see that the installation have finished. And we can close this one down. When we now go into 3D Experience and we try to press Assemble Design, we should actually open up CATIA. And if you have never worked with CATIA before, it's a CAD design program that can, that's a 3D design piece of software where you can make CAD drawings and CAD models for our stuff. So, and this will take some time for it to start up. Now 3D Experience is starting up, and my graphic card is not registered with this for this software, but you can just press OK and it will still work. It's just giving you a warning that there might be some issues. Just close this one down and maximize this one. So now we are on the local client of 3D Experience, and you can recognize the navigation wheel here on top. So we have all our 3D suits here, and we have some simulation here, and all our social activities up here in the top. And then you can jump between the different suits here, or different apps or products. And up here is it possible just to search? So we can search for like AAU. See what comes up. Yep. So now we're searching on a database where we can see all the products that are related to this search, and we go in and have a look at it in deeper detail if that's necessary. This concludes the walkthrough of this tutorial. I hope it was useful. If you have any questions, you can write to one of the course holders and they will help you. Right, thank you for now.